Hi Tribuners, we come back to Cakap Sana Cakap Sini. So today we are from UPN Veteran Jawa Timur from Bistro. Hi guys.
Hi Tribuners.
So today I will introduce myself. My name is Siva Medina Sahwa. You can call me Siva. And today I was the host for this podcast. And today for the podcast topic is about adaptation from high school life to campus life. And I will let my friends to introduce yourself. Maybe you can start from Randa.
Okay, my name is Randa Lim Prabusi. You can call me Randa.
Hi Randa.
Hi Randa. Okay, and now it's my turn. People usually call me Haifa.
Okay.
Hi.
It is my turn. My name is Arfan Bintang AKL. You can call me Arfan.
Hi Arfan.
Hello, my name is Nabila Amelia Putri. You can call me Nabila.
Okay.
Nabila.
Today we will back to our topic is about adaptation from high school life to campus life. So today we are same major, right? And we are in the same class.
Yes.
So today I want to ask you all is what is one independent learning skill you must master in college that you didn't learn from high school?
Okay.
For me, maybe it's about when I was from vocational school and the major has hospitality, so I'm always like have time management things.
Okay.
And
Okay, it's good.
I'm like I must to came like maybe 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Same like the shift like morning or middle or maybe evening shift.
Yes.
And I don't have is my public speaking because all of me too, right?
Yes,
Because
yes.
when we learning about public speaking but accidentally we don't realize if we have public speaking, but also we have public speaking but we don't realize it.
Okay.
Maybe how about maybe from Randa maybe?
For me, one essential skill is the ability to learn independent without waiting for the lecturer explain everything in detail.
In detail, okay.
In high school,
In high school?
the teacher usually guide you step by step, right?
Yeah.
But in the college, the lecturer only give you the main idea, so you have to explore your there is your own book, article, and journal. Time management is also becomes a part of these skills because you set your own study schedule, decide what prioritize, and stay disciplined.
Okay. I think that set yourself by yourself everything, right?
I agree with that. And maybe
Okay.
we can move to Haifa maybe.
Okay. And now it's my turn, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah. My life from the senior high school moved to the college. It's really hard for me. It's because I should same with Randa. I manage everything by myself, right? And after that, I think that is kinda little bit difficult. It's because when we in senior high school, after we finish our class, that will be finished, right? And when we move to the campus college, then after we finish one subject, move to another subject, right? Yes, and then after that, after we finish our material today, that means that we should finish our task. That means in the campus college, it's a lot of tasks, right?
Because
Did you agree, guys? When we in the did you agree when in your high school that's been only one task, right?
Yeah, I agree with that because when just one task and the deadline is maybe this the longest, but now maybe the deadline maybe
Yeah, it can be 2
today
weeks,
or
1 month, 2
Yeah.
months.
something like that.
Yes, it's like it's kinda little bit hard for us. It's too much task, right?
I agree with
Yes,
that.
and the second reason is about sleep. It's because when we was child, we sleep at least 8 hours, right? It's enough 8 hours, and now it's
Not enough.
not enough, right? It's 5 or yes.
Yeah, because at the college we have a lot of activities.
Yes, yes.
Of class, of tasks, and that is a lot take our energy.
It means that too hectic, right? Hectic.
Yeah.
Yes.
In our everyday life, we basically have anything to do.
Yeah, it's a lot.
The
Full,
unexpected and the
Yes,
expected.
yes.
That's so a lot.
Yes, it's mean too much activity, right? Yes, I think that's also
Okay,
Pak.
thank you so much, Haifa. Maybe we
Yes.
can like for Arfan maybe.
Okay, so for me, something that I have to learn by myself when I'm entering college is actually some other kind of management. I mean, like the financial, the loneliness coping. It's not really like loneliness coping, but in high school you get to be with your classmates. You get to be. You want to go to the canteen with your classmates. You want to go to the toilet with your classmates. You want.
Oh my God.
But in college, you basically live with yourself. You do anything by yourself, and when you do
Sure.
something with other people, then it does mean that you don't have anything to do with them, or you have anything to do with them. I mean, like you got the same business, or you got no business at all by each other. So you accompany each other by either going eating together or going to a friend's house together,
Yes.
or something like
Yes.
that. Then sometimes it's not every day that you get to be with your classmates in college like that. You usually be like alone, like you're gonna go alone, like you're gonna stick with your schedule,
Yes.
and so on. I think that's all for me.
Okay, so and I agree with you.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
can move to Nabila maybe.
Okay, for me, agree with your opinions.
Okay.
Me, public speaking.
Public
Yeah,
speaking.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why about your public speaking?
Because at senior high school,
Okay.
I never
Never.
speak in public.
Oh.
Okay. Now
No.
I must
Mas.
speak in public.
Oh.
Oh yeah, so you must open it yourself.
Okay, but you enjoy in this class?
Maybe yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
okay. Everyone learning. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And that's back to our topic is adaptation.
Adaptation, yes,
Yeah.
adaptation.
We're still
Yes.
in third semester, by the way.
Yeah, I agree with that.
That's normal.
That's
Okay.
normal, yeah.
That's
Okay.
normal. Okay.
Okay.
So we can do the next. Which is more difficult, making friends on campus or adapting to deserve backgrounds or new classmates? So maybe like if we meet someone new, maybe we can just like ask their name, ask their number. But for me, I think making friends is more easier
More
because when you ask friends below their major, maybe if sometimes we will need it, we can text her or him or maybe them, and we can maybe have a more relation. I think that's for me. We
Okay.
can, maybe I will turn around. Maybe we
Yes.
can to Nabila maybe.
Okay, Nabila.
I think I have a new friend.
Oh yeah.
It easy for me and adapt to my friend background. Just not problem.
No
Oh, yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
So you don't think like not checking the background first, but you
Yeah.
can see the break first.
You can just
And I
be
agree
friends
that.
with them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe we can continue to maybe to
Yeah, maybe it's the same as Nabila, and I can just be friends with each other. I've been friends with my friends' friends.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Same with me.
And
Yeah,
my friends
okay.
like the
We are
friends of my
too.
friends,
Yes.
then the other friends, and I guess we're not far from each other. It's just that the earth is not really far. I mean, like we
Yeah,
get
yeah.
to meet each other. We get to meet each other friends on maybe in the marathon or something like that.
Oh yeah, so like meetings, like we can have chit chat.
Yeah.
Maybe we can move to Haifa maybe.
Okay. For me, make a friends is easy. Okay, same with Arfan. We can chit chat with foreigner or with stranger in the place, right?
Yeah.
We can talk about anything. It's because now about people, their culture, their language. It's so fun, right?
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, you can be my friends for me, but I still have boundaries and self-respect for myself and space. Yeah, it's kind of little bit introvert.
Yeah, and I agree with that because sometimes we need to have some like space
Mm.
from us.
Yes,
And
yes.
we help us to protect our privacy.
Privacy.
Privacy,
Yeah.
yes.
Maybe we
Okay.
can move to Arunda,
Okay.
maybe.
I think my opinion is a little bit different because
Because okay, it's curious.
the hardest part for me is making a new friend at the beginning because it's not people are unfriendly. It's just that starting a conversation with strangers can feel awkward and uncomfortable for me.
Yeah, because
Okay, okay.
some people is like rather because before they are like opening because but someone can like make them down so they cover themselves again.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I feel what you feel.
The question is, are you introvert too?
Yes.
So you're the
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
introvert that you're the kind of introvert that brought around by the extrovert to their friends. Yeah, some party or something like that.
Oh yeah, I agree. But
Okay.
sometimes it's like can be easier, but can be the hardest.
Yeah, it's depend.
Yeah, it
It depends.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Okay, we next. What was the biggest culture shock you experienced when you first start taking classes in your major? For me, is like etiquette. Yeah, actually.
Etiquette.
Yeah, because,
Because?
when you learn the etiquette, you must to learn about makeup, how to dress well. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And but from that class, I just know if skincare is really important to us.
Agree.
Just like girls or boys is really important because we must to take care our body actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
I agree
yes.
with that.
For real, for real.
Maybe I can ask maybe Haifa because you're so modest in
Oh
here.
my god! Thank you so much for saying that. You make me happy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, can I tell the story, the culture shock, when I come to Surabaya before I explain that the culture shock in the class?
Sure.
Okay,
Absolutely.
okay. I will tell the story. Okay, the first time I never come to Surabaya before. Okay,
Oh yeah.
so yeah,
Oh,
yeah. So I didn't know how far Surabaya, and I know how far Surabaya after I come to Surabaya. It's too
Okay.
far. And then the first I come, why people around me speak Japanese? Oh my god, I can understand everyone say, and then it's look like alien language. I can understand everything.
Yeah, because when we are from like not from East Java,
Yeah.
when we hear Japanese, because in this Japanese is like different.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
And the second reason the culture shock is, when I'm hungry, it's because I living in the boarding house. Then I go around at the night. What should I buy? Then I found the nasi goreng. So
Oh, yeah.
okay, please make one nasi goreng. And then after that's okay. I say take away. Okay. And then I come back to home and see. What is this? Why the rice should be red?
Oh yeah, because the recipe from nasi goreng is from the red sauce.
The red sauce.
actually.
Yeah,
It's normal though.
it's
I mean,
normal.
for me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
normal,
sorry,
because we
normal.
are from
Yeah.
But for me, in my hometown, it should be the white one or the black one.
Oh, you can request the white one
yeah.
to the seller.
Yeah, yeah.
So you
Oh.
can request it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can request it actually.
And the third culture shock, it's too hot for me.
It is.
Yeah, I agree.
It is actually.
I
it is.
agree.
Totally agree.
Yes, it's
Totally agree.
yeah, it's broke my skin. Okay, and the question is culture shock in the class, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's because our major is English, so everything should be English, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because the lectures explain the material, the subject, and everything it should be
English,
English.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
and we answer the question, it should be English.
English.
We ask everything should be English.
In English,
That
yes.
means
Yeah.
we talk with our friends.
Mhm.
Should be English too in the class. That means in the class is the English area.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It
it's
can be. It can be.
It can be.
Yeah.
yeah. I think that's all. It's because everything should be English, so I still enjoy also.
Okay, thank you so
Mm.
much.
Okay.
Maybe I can move to Randa maybe because you have some experience.
Okay. The biggest culture shock for me in this major is the first phase of the college class because the lecturer don't explain the lesson as clearly or slowly as a high school teacher, right?
Oh
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And we should be understanding it.
Yes, they will make everyone to understand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sometimes
Yes.
they
Yeah.
switch topic quickly or
Yes.
assign a big task on the first meeting.
Yes.
And students are also expected to be active giving opinions,
Oh, yeah.
asking questions,
Mm.
and reading the materials.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I think that's it for
Okay.
me.
Okay, wait. That's mean when you doesn't understand with the subject that you should searching in the another tools or another's like YouTube or what you do?
I'm study again. I with
With the
I
ebook maybe?
apa?
With the ebook?
Yes, I read the ebook. I studied articles, ebooks, so I can learn
Yeah,
all the
yeah,
results.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So you
Okay.
continue to research it.
Yes.
I like
Okay,
it.
it's good.
Maybe we
Okay.
can move to Arfan.
Okay, so for me in the class is what Haifa is talking about is actually right. It's actually something that I want to do about. I mean, like speaking English all the time with friends, with lecturer, with strangers, other people, or something, or someone. I already kind of get used to it because in my house, my mom, my father, my brother, my sister, we are a family that is get used to English. I mean,
Yeah.
Okay,
my
so-
mother
Okay,
is,
okay, okay.
I don't know why she's so smart. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
And she usually correct me when I'm talking English.
Oh
so
my
I
god!
get,
Oh my god!
usual correcting face when you just eating together and we're gonna
Oh,
talk
yeah,
about
yeah.
English and we're gonna talking about some topics and then she's gonna correct me.
Oh my
She's gonna
god!
give me some lecture even at that time when I'm eating. And I'm like, yeah. And I just say to her, valid.
Oh, okay, that's
And I just continue
So,
my eating. Yeah.
so you from your family is like get used to
Yeah.
this English.
In
So
the-
I'm not really shocked when I'm in the class.
Oh,
It's just something
yeah, I
that I
agree.
enjoy, actually enjoy.
Yeah.
So that's mean your
Not
mom
the task though.
and your dad raise yourself by English language in daily activity.
Yes,
Oh
yes.
yeah.
That's why your English is so cool.
I
It's the cool one, right? Did you agree, guys?
Yeah, I agree. Okay,
Yes.
Maybe,
I need to learn.
okay.
Yes.
Me too. We will learn. Maybe we can move to Nabila.
I agree with your opinions. Speaking English, in the first time meet in class, I think in class learn basic.
Oh, learning basic.
Yeah, but
But
immediately improve speaking
speaking
for daily.
for daily.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you learning English from our class and you use it for daily life.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Okay. Is that already? Okay. We can continue it. Name one thing you had to learn on your own that was the most challenging as a student. Maybe like before you can cooking now, or maybe
yeah.
or maybe you must do like a finance maybe. For me is finance actually. Yeah.
Finance. We are agree with you.
I think that sums up our question.
Alright, yeah.
We can move to the next
Okay,
question.
Yeah.
Because like villages, accidentally we don't realize all of things around us is use money.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, because when we came to somewhere else, we need money.
Mhm.
So we must to pay with money.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Yes.
Maybe I will ask Randa maybe for the opinion.
Well, one of the most challenging things is managing your finance, right?
Yeah.
As
Of
you said,
course, yes.
Yeah.
because as a college student, you have you have to make sure your money lasts until the end of the month.
Sure.
That means dividing it carefully for meals, transportations,
Hanging out.
class needs,
yeah.
all that, and
And fashion.
Yes, of course.
I agree with that.
Yes.
And it also requires self-control, so you don't spend money at the beginning of the month.
Yeah.
And
Oh yeah.
even we make a small mistake,
Then
so then at the end of the month, it's very difficult.
very difficult.
Because
Yes.
we don't realize where is our money is where's the going?
Yes.
Where's go?
Where's good? My
Pay.
I agree with that.
And
Maybe
suddenly it's gone. It's gone.
yeah.
It's gone.
It's literally zero right now.
Where's my money gone?
Okay, I will continue maybe to Arfan because you two are boys and maybe you
Yes.
two have a same activities maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. We actually to have the same activity.
Yeah,
I mean, like
yeah.
we hang out together. So
Right,
yeah,
yeah.
we spend I personally spend my money on hanging out.
Hanging
I
out.
mean,
Healing, yeah.
Yeah, just chit chatting or working on my tasks with my friends.
Mm.
We spend a lot of time on cafes or
Yes.
something
Oh,
like that.
yeah.
And the menu there is, it's not
Relative,
uh,
it's relative, yeah.
no, it's not really cheap, but
It's not
I don't
really
mind
cheap.
buying it.
Yeah.
If I get my tax done, then why
Yeah.
not?
Yeah,
why not?
Yeah.
I usually spend my money on cafe
Okay.
or
Yes.
hanging out like that.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, I agree. But maybe, like, me, Haifa, and Labil, because we are ladies, maybe our money is good because makeup and skincare.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
of course.
fashion.
Yeah.
Maybe I will
Must be that.
ask Labila first.
Nabila, okay. lah.
Okay, for me, agree with your opinions.
Mm-mm.
My opinion is, especially women, to money is a lot
Money is a lot.
because
Wow.
because
Yeah, it's a
with
lot.
makeup, skincare,
Yeah,
Lip
okay.
please.
lip pills,
Yeah. So that's why you're so pretty.
Yeah, oh my god, thank you.
Yes. You're taking care of yourself.
Yeah, and
That's good. That's good.
And
yeah, and hang out,
Hang
of
out,
course.
yeah.
And money activist organization.
Oh.
Organization,
Oh.
yes.
Organization.
Why did I forget that?
Because because some people have organized their money to
The
spend
organization.
yeah, something like that. Maybe we can go to Haifa.
Okay, my opinions is same with all of you guys. Same with you say I do myself better. It's same with Nabila. I'm buy my makeup, my skincare. Also
Yeah.
same with Randa. I'm buy a fashion also, and same with Arpan. I'm hang out with my friends. It's because when we do some tasks, that means I don't want to stay in my room. Did you agree? It's because I need something the fresh air. And
Yeah.
you
Yeah, we need to do something.
Yeah.
We need to,
And
we need to
all
go out.
and we always needing healing. And
Yes.
that is the right thing.
Yes.
Okay, guys. The last one.
Okay.
Before we came to the end, what is your quickest and the most effective way to recharge and avoid burnout after a full week of class and activities?
Okay.
So maybe for me is maybe like recently we asking about healing, right?
Yes.
So when we have already or before we do the tasks or maybe the activities, maybe we can took one day or maybe we can spend our weekends to maybe have healing or maybe we can go to mall, have shopping, right? Or
Yes.
maybe-
Of course.
or
Refresh.
yeah, or maybe if we not like don't want to go from house, maybe we can cook or maybe we play with our pets. Maybe
Yes.
maybe I will ask opinion maybe from Arfan because we are from we have stay like at parents' house, right?
Yeah. First of all, for some context, I live in my parents' house here in
Yeah.
Surabaya.
Yeah,
I'm originally from Surabaya.
and me too.
And for me, a fun fact, I feel more stressed. I feel more pressured when I'm in high school. When I'm then college.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's just in high school, it's something's burden, something is pressuring me. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But in
In
college,
college?
I actually joined an organization.
Yeah.
I don't know, but keeping myself busy, it keeps me away from the stress, keeps me away from the
Yeah.
pressure. It's still I'm still stressed, I'm still pressured, but
I agree
it's
with
not
that.
something that it's not the kind of stress.
Yeah.
It's not the kind of pressure that I don't want to.
Yeah.
It's the one that I take it into my life.
Yeah.
I mean like somehow
Yeah.
manage it and just going on with the flow.
Yeah.
Organization is actually something fun.
Fun, but
I
Yeah.
agree.
It costs a lot of money.
Yeah, I agree
Yeah.
with that because when our parents is asked, "Where is your money?
Gone.
Why is your money is really fast to gone?"
yes.
Yeah.
Me too. Also, my mommy asked me
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah, I agree with that. Maybe we can continue with maybe to Randa maybe because you all boys.
Okay, the fastest way is for me is to give yourself a real break. for me that can be watching anime.
Yeah.
Don't call me Wibu, please.
We're all Wibu,
Okay.
basically.
Okay.
Sleeping well, of course, and playing game for well.
Oh,
Oh,
maybe take a break.
Yeah.
okay.
The goal is to let your brain take a rest
Just a rest.
after a busy week.
Okay.
agree with
I think
that.
that's
Okay, wait. It's because you are a Wibu, so you can speak Japanese.
No, no,
No.
no, I don't speak Japanese.
But you understand what the sentence of the movie sometimes maybe.
Sometimes yes. In
Oh,
some vocabulary
yeah,
into
yeah.
Japanese. Yeah.
Okay, you are so cool.
A little bit arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Don't say that.
Okay, maybe we can continue maybe to high five.
Okay, the question is how to remove the stress, right? Burnout. It's because I'm far away from my home, so however that I should fix my stress by myself. Okay, it's because I love sports. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I do some badminton or running, or when I have time I will do gym or pilates. That will be remove my stress.
Wow.
I agree with
Yes, and the second is hanging out with my friends.
Yeah.
And then go to the nature. It's because when you get the problem or pain, it's really hard for ourselves. It's because when you hang out with your friends that and find the nature will heal you.
Oh, yeah, I agree
Yes.
with that.
And then I think food.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Craving, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe. Maybe we can go to like pasar malam, ya kan? Or maybe we can meet to some event, food events maybe.
Yeah, food
Yeah.
stall.
Yeah, food hall, I agree with that. Maybe we can do last, maybe Nabila.
Okay, for me, when I burn out, I will do, of course, traveling.
Oh, healing,
Healing,
yeah.
yeah, healing. Fun fact, I like healing and
Nature?
cold
Cold.
place.
The weather
Yeah.
is cold.
Oh, yeah.
I like
Which one the city?
ini.
Yes.
Ya,
Which one?
Malang.
Malang, Trawas,
Oh,
and
yeah.
Magetan.
Magetan.
Oh, yeah, that is
Yeah.
a cold place.
it's-
Maybe, may I ask, yeah, maybe.
Okay.
What kind of transportation? Maybe you use train or maybe you use motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
Oh,
with
yeah.
friends.
With friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
Yes.
sometimes alone.
Sometimes
Oh,
fun.
sometimes
Oh my
fun.
god. Wow.
I think you was braver maybe than us, maybe.
Yeah.
She is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's
cheers.
when you like the nature.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
Okay, maybe before we close our podcast today, maybe from one of from us, maybe you can have maybe some
Words.
words to say
To Tribuners.
to tribuners or
Yes.
maybe the students from high school to when they want to move to college, so they're not afraid the college life. Maybe
Yes.
who wants to have opinion, maybe.
Okay. Who's the first one? Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go, Gus.
Okay, my advice for you is you should fix everything that you was begin.
Mm.
Did you agree?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
That means do not stop when you tired, but stop when you done.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I have some words from Tribuners who's like the same as us. Like if we are in the college or you are in high school or even SD. But I just want to say that I hope all of you guys have a happy college life. Because
Yes.
it is actually something that maybe a plot twist in your life, but it is actually something that you must enjoy. I think that's it for
Oh,
me.
yeah, okay. Maybe Nabila and then
I think that's enough. Yeah, same opinion.
yeah.
As-
Yeah, agree.
I agree with that
FOMO.
because the FOMO is like because when we have adaptation, we come back to adaptation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can sorry, maybe we have something to adaptation, maybe we want to know, so sometimes we need to adaptation actually.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
You don't need to be in an adaptation state of life all the time. You get to be relaxed, take a breath,
Yeah.
breathe out, breathe in, and something like that. You don't need to be alerted in your mind, in your body. That's gonna exhaust you so much. Just
Yeah.
relax, breathe in, breathe out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe some Tribuners is, but we must to have remember to take a break.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Maybe that is end of our podcast.
Yes.
I'm Siva from the host.
I'm Randa.
I'm Haifa.
I'm Arfan.
I'm Nabila.
We will see you at the next station. Thank
See you, Tribuners.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.